How to level the deck on a Murray Riding Mower. The Murray Riding Lawnmower has a mower deck adjustment process all its own. Where most mower decks require tedious adjustment to each corner of the deck to achieve proper balance, all you need with a Murray mower is properly inflated tires and level ground. Murray mowers have a built-in self-leveling system that makes leveling the mower deck a breeze. Things you'll need: tire pressure gauge, air pump. Drive the mower onto a hard flat surface and then turn the mower off. Check the air pressure in all 4 tires. The correct pressure is 14 pounds per inch 2 psi. Use a tire gauge to check the pressure and a tire pump to add or remove air if needed. If the tire pressure is not 14 psi on all 4 tires, you cannot properly level the mower deck. Open the cover on the mower deck housing to expose the mower deck adjustment slot. The cover is located over the hole from which the mower deck height adjustment lever. Move the mower deck height adjustment lever on the right side of the mower to the position closest to the seat. This raises the mower to the proper position for height adjustment. Loosen the front and rear adjustment knobs. Both knobs are black butterfly knobs. The knobs are located on the right side of the mower. As long as the mower rests on level ground, the mower deck will self-level when you loosen the adjuster knobs. Tighten the front and rear adjustment knobs. If plastic, tighten to 7 foot-pounds. If metal, tighten to 10 foot-pounds. Raise the mower deck height adjustment lever to its previous position and slide the cover back into place. Mow several rows of grass. If the grass is not level, repeat the deck adjustment process.